I had a dream about, a clean Shillong. My team consists of people from a very, very poor background who are dropped out from school, no job, nothing, so they are welcome here. First thing, we believe in clean surrounding. So the first activity is cleaning the places in and around Shillong. In fact, the entire Meghalaya we have been going. And then after this, what we do is that we go to schools and we give them an awareness program regarding cleanliness, the dangers of plastics or the hazards of plastics, and tree plantation program, the importance of clean air. And then apart from that, we go in for organic farming and river cleaning, roadside highway cleaning. And then we have one small thing with us, an activity, it's called Mercy Ministry, where towards the end of the year, we go and visit orphanages. From the proceeds that we have received after selling all these waste that we collected, we buy food items and we go and give to these orphanages or the needy family whom we come to know every year, every now and then we do that.